In this tutorial, I'll show you how to download audio from Minimax AI step-by-step guide. By the end of this video, you'll have your generated voice audio from Minimax AI saved on your device as an MP3 or WAV file ready to use in your project. First, open Minimax AI. On your screen, go to the area where you create audio or voice output so you can generate the clip you want to download. Make sure the page is fully loaded before moving on. Next, generate audio or voice output. Type or paste the text you want spoken into the input field you see on the page. If voice options or basic settings are visible, select what you need, then click the button to generate or create the audio. Watch for the tool to begin producing the voice output. Now wait for processing. You'll see a progress bar or spinner while Minimax AI creates the audio file. As in, this can take a moment, especially for longer text. Don't refresh the page or close the tab while it's working. When processing finishes, you should see a playable preview or a confirmation that the audio is ready. From here, click Download or Export. Look for a download button, an export option, or a download icon near the preview player or output section. If it's inside a menu, open the menu and select the option labeled Download or Export. One click should open the download settings. Next, choose the format MP3 or WAV. Pick MP3 if you want a smaller file that's easy to share and works almost everywhere. Choose WAV if you need the highest quality,
your worst nightmare.
uncompressed audio for editing or professional use. Selecting the right format here ensures your audio from Minimax AI is ready for how you plan to use it. Confirm your choice to continue, and then finally save the file. Your browser will either open a save dialog or start downloading immediately. If you see a dialog, choose the folder where you want to keep the file, give it a clear name, and click Save. If the download starts, automatically check your downloads bar or the downloads folder on your computer to find the file. Wait for the download to complete before closing the page. If you want to double check, open the file in your media player and press play to confirm the audio sounds correct. At this point, you've opened Minimax AI, generated the voice output, waited for processing, clicked download or export, selected MP3 or WAV, and saved the file to your device. Your audio from Minimax AI is now downloaded and ready to use. For more step-by-step tutorials like this, hit subscribe and check out the other guides available on the channel.